Happy July. Today I'm planning out for the new month. First thing I need to do though is switch out my monthly views. Just to keep my planner a little bit lighter and a little bit thinner, I only keep half the month. So I've had January through June and I'm going to remove that and add July through December. These are the dividers that I've used all year and I really like them. I like that my month tabs are on the top because the rest of the dividers that I have in my planner are all on the side. So it just helps me be able to flip through and find things easier. Before I add the last half of the year to my binder, I'm gonna go ahead and fill out my July monthly view with any appointments I already have set up. Okay, so here's where I'm at so far. I have my dashboard and then I have July through December. In my last planner subscription box, they included these cute little stickers, so I just decided to use those for fun. So right now in July, I have all my appointments that I have scheduled so far. I have some video ideas that I'd like to film, and then I also have my July goals. And if you saw my June plan with me that I uploaded to the Cloth and Paper YouTube channel, I've been sending my July goals to my friend Diana as an accountability partner. I have upload 4 videos, close my exercise rings every day, no spend on clothes and makeup, and then finish reading I Will Teach You to Be Rich, and move the long-term savings account to a high-yield savings account. I have to tell you guys a funny story in this section. This is where I keep my wish list tracker, which I showed in some video, I can't remember, I showed it recently. And I immediately, after I uploaded the video, I immediately got a text message, which always makes me a little bit concerned because I'm like, oh no, I've said something wrong, done something wrong in the video, something's misspelled, and somebody's telling me about it. Sure enough, it was my youngest sister saying that I had misspelled tampons, and I was like, what in the world is she talking about? But tampons, they're on my wish list. Pons are those shoes, the black shoes that I wear a lot, and I just thought that was hilarious, but I was appreciative that she was looking out for me. After that fun section, I get into the meat of my planner, which is my inbox. This is the David Allen Getting Things Done. So having the physical inbox where I'm writing everything down paired with Todoist, which is an app that I keep on my computer and my phone, these together have just been game changers. And I've actually started one of my 2019 goals for the entire year was to work on inbox 0, and I've started using Todoist to help me with that, and it has been incredible. So I'm really excited about that. Actually, I'm so excited about it, I might film a video. I just need to decide if I think that would be helpful enough for enough people. But as for this week, I have my sisters are coming over. My sisters and my mom are coming over on Tuesday to meet my new cat, and then we're gonna get our hair cut, and then of course the 4th of July. So lots of fun stuff. I've been trying to get video clips because I'm working on putting together more family videos. So if I get any clips from this week, I will put it at the end.
Look at that special carrier.
I'm so good at There's so many toys.
Look at the special carrier. Hey, get that thing out. Yeah, that looks fun.
I hope to die one day. Come back and ask me.
Yeah, exactly.
Saving money is a struggle.
We impress people we don't even know.
I am now coming to you from present day. It is Thursday morning, July 18th. I'm running a little bit low energy. Stayed out past my bedtime last night and we saw a showing of the Playing with Fire documentary, which is all about financial independence. It was playing at a local theater and I'm so glad I went. I just think this morning is going to require an extra cup of coffee. When I was editing this video, it was a little bit short, so I thought I could add on to it a little bit and show you how the month has been going. It's been a great month so far. There have been a couple weeks where I've had a little bit more going on. So on weeks like that, I like to use the Hobonichi style daily inserts. I, one, like that they're undated, so I feel like I'm not wasting them ever because I don't use them every week. I also love how clean and simple they are. Some days I'll divide my day by just drawing a simple line to break up work things and personal things, and I love the graph paper side. I use this for all kinds of stuff, just random notes, doodles, meeting notes. I started following a new Instagram account, and I think a lot of you guys would like her pictures. Her username is Wise Coffee Break, and I believe her name is Brittany. She has beautiful spreads, very clean, but she still uses some stickers, and I liked how she had these to buy and to do stickers used in her planner. So I decided to copy her, and I really like it so far. So to buy is just a list of things I need to grab when I'm running errands, and then to do are any time-sensitive to-dos that I need to get done on a specific week. I've just been marking them off as I get them done. I used to have a little stencil and I can't find it, so I'm not sure if I gave it away or what. So I ordered myself a new one, and I like how it had 3 different size circles. So next week I'm gonna make circles and fill them in like she does, because I think that looks really sharp. So that is all I have for this Plan With Me video. As always, if you have any questions, leave them down below, and I hope no matter what day you're watching this on, you're having a great day, and I'll talk to you again very soon.